Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Madden D back at it again with the White Vans. That's the man. And I don't even know what I'm about to do for this video. I'm gonna show you my key plays I like to run on offense. So let's just get right into it. It's quiet. It's like 8 o'clock. We're about to do a guess who. So I'll show you guys when I'm on offense. Okay, now I'm on offense. So we just got an interception. So I like to run seam 6, 7, 8. It's a really good play when you're like third down situations. And you can hit your tight end. Doesn't matter. You'll get a first down. Second play. Well, it's gonna be the same play because 10 yards. So let me just do it from here. And so I'll tell you guys when I'm on offense. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So this is my second play I like to use. Pitch, HB pitch, and sometimes we'll get a first down or about 8 yards. It depends.
He just got murdered.
Yeah. So, and remember, you guys, curls get the girls. Shields. But curls get the girls. If you're in goal line situations, you want to go for curls. Because curls get the girls, always.
No, let them score. Let them. You're gonna win. So you'd rather not like try to make a touchdown.
Then my favorite play to use in Madden Mobile is deep attack. You're so nasty.
No, like
Cooper. You gotta hit like the guy middle. So now for some, let me show you some more runs. HV mid jaw. Sometimes you'll get like 5 something yards. Sometimes you'll get 1 yard. Depends if your running back's good. And FL drag. A lot of YouTubers use this because it's a really good play. You'll hit maybe B or probably another player. But yeah, so I'll tell you guys. I'll show you guys when I'm back on offense. Okay, I'm back on offense. So slant, HB slant 18 is a good play. I like to run. I don't have all the plays, but seam 6, 7, 8. I already told you guys about. Oh my gosh, I'm selling some new. Cross in. I don't use cross in.
you said, I crossed in.
Oh shoot, I'm about to get sacked. Okay. Snoop, get that first.
Snoop Dogg.
Okay. And I don't usually use this play, but mid attack is a good play to use. Because you'll get a first down with your tight end. Or maybe
so
a touchdown.
dark here.
But thank you guys for watching. And as always, peace out.